Concealing designer clothes and jewelry inside a fitting room. How did this retail theft turn into a foot pursuit? On February 5th, 2024, officers responded to a Kohl's department store following an active shoplifting dispatch. Loss prevention saw her hide merchandise on her person. They then alerted law enforcement.
All right.
She's in the changing room right now. She's got jewelry and some clothing in there. She tries to conceal on her person. I got footage from her in the past store and stuff like that.
Okay. Y'all have an LP office.
Yeah, I got her over here on the right.
Where's the room? What does she look like?
African female, braids, gray sweatpants, black hoodie with a white symbol.
Okay. We'll wait right here for her. Y'all never CTW'd her?
Now it's been recent. I was going to fill out police report. I got all the evidence and everything. Just haven't had time to put in a police report. Been busy.
Okay, sure. $25.31. Where you at? If you come in the store, we're going to be in the center by the fitting rooms.
You want to go grab them?
Yeah, you can go get them if you want. I know what I'm looking for.
Yo, G.
Excuse me, how you going?
Come here.
Sir.
Go ahead and come with me.
Well, I ain't got nothing,
Come,
sir.
come with. $2.31 Central. I got one running. Get out of the car. Where are you at? We're right out front. She's in custody. Now that was about the dumbest thing you could have done. Why we run?
Because I'm in my nose.
All this.
I'm with somebody and they had me stealing.
For socks. Going to jail for socks? Let's get inside. If they got a loss prevention area, we'll search her there. Yeah. Where's your LP office? All right. Let me search it. You got gloves? Yeah, there's something right here. Yeah, I see it. All right. Hey, look at me. You're a female. I'm going to search you. I'm going to walk through what I'm doing as I'm doing it, okay?
Okay.
How much stuff do you have on you?
I just had something that's in my pants.
Okay. Do me a favor, face towards the camera, or face away from me. All right, I'm going to pull the back of this way. Is it underneath here as well?
Yes.
Okay.
laser one more off. Give me 5 minutes. Well, he's where?
We're code 4. Go ahead and sign me a case number.
Hey, she's got a buddy that was here with her last time. He's at the registry right now trying to check out.
Is he attempting to shoplift?
No, not this time, but we have
Okay.
Can
Did you file a case number with us and everything?
No, yeah, well, I got
We got nothing on. All right. I'm gonna unzip your jacket. What are we wearing underneath it?
I just got on my shirt and my.
Okay.
Verified staff reports provided officers with lawful, reasonable suspicion under Terry v. Ohio and the shopkeeper's privilege. Officers stepped in to conduct an investigatory stop. The suspect bolted toward the parking lot exit. Illinois v. Wardlow holds that unprovoked flight from police elevates reasonable suspicion into probable cause for arrest. After a rapid foot pursuit, officers apprehended the woman outside and escorted her into the loss prevention office.
I'm gonna check your sleeves. Picking up your hair to check your hood. And behind you. All right. Here's what I'm gonna tell you. Look at me. Because you ran, you have an extra charge.
Okay.
You are going to go to Perry. Okay? Concealing stuff on you when you get inside of Perry is an extra charge. Did I miss anything?
No, sir.
Okay.
Press stage.
Not me being a minor, I got it.
You're a minor? How old are you?
My November 14th, 2002.
How old are you?
Hold on, sir.
You said 2002?
Yeah.
You're 20. You're not a minor. Minor are people under the age of 18.
Okay.
Okay?
should be a $300 bracelet somewhere as well.
Where's the bracelet at?
I left it.
You left it?
Mhm.
Did you take it out of the packaging?
No, yeah, I left it in the thing.
Okay.
These are $40 shirts.
Yeah. Have a seat.
All right. Well,
I don't know if you heard, but multiple warrants.
Okay.
I think 2 through bid, 1 through Cobb.
Bib and cop.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, stand up for me.
And one in Kohl.
Price wise, it's just, is this?
I'll get you a receipt and give it to you.
I've got it.
Oh, you already got it?
All prices adding up. I'm just trying to think. Still, shop.
I don't know what the total was.
That'd be 4 seconds.
Round 6.
Okay, it's gone.
Yeah, it's felony shoplifting.
Okay. Yeah, it's over 5 because of the necklace that's still missing. We got to that though once we started adding up the shorts and stuff.
Yeah.
That's why I can't do some Kohl now. Kohl's too expensive.
I know, they sell Caterpillar jackets. I didn't even know Caterpillar had a line of clothes.
Yeah, it's crazy, bro. And then security, wow. All right.
Thank you. Look like you had
I'm
fun.
trying to like transports because I thought they were over there.
No, we both pulled up here. I went the wrong direction. I think that's why she took off.
Go ahead and have a seat for me.
No, we got it. Thanks for coming out though.
Huh?
Good one.
Yeah.
Under Chimel v. California, officers executing a lawful custodial arrest are authorized to search the arrestee's person. A systematic search of her jacket and waistband recovered concealed $40 shorts. It also turned up additional stolen apparel. During the intake inventory, the suspect falsely claimed she was a juvenile to avoid adult consequences. Officers quickly verified her 2002 birth date. They confirmed she was 21 and fully subject to adult prosecution. How did a routine misdemeanor shoplifting call cross the line into severe felony territory? Adding the recovered shorts, unrecovered jewelry, and prior retail incidents brought the total property value to more than $500. Surpassing this statutory threshold legally elevated the offense from petty theft to felony grand larceny. The suspect was formally booked for felony shoplifting alongside resisting and fleeing law enforcement. Lesson learned: running from police doesn't erase a theft charge. It only turns a misdemeanor into an aggravated felony. What are your thoughts on the officer's quick response? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.